Which bird is known for eating dead animals? Correct answer, vulture. Next question. Which bird is known for hunting? Correct answer, falcon. Next question. Which bird is famous for its beautiful nest? Correct answer, weaver bird. Next question. Which bird is famous for its sweet song? Correct answer, nightingale. Next question. Which bird is known for standing on one leg? Correct answer, flamingo. Next question. Which bird is famous for its colorful tail? Correct answer, peacock.